The neurulation process. Neurulation begins with the changing of shape of the ectodermal cells overlaying the notochord, from flat cells to tall columnar cells. The thickened area formed is known as neural plate or neural ectoderm. The neural ectoderm is now ready to develop into neural tissue. Signals from the notochord will cause the edges of the neural plate to rise and form a neural groove, which is lined by a neural fold on each side. The neural folds then proceed to fuse with each other and pinch off, forming a neural tube. The neural tube will give rise to the central nervous system, which is the brain and spinal cord. The remaining cells of the neural plate will migrate to form neural crest cells, which will eventually give rise to the peripheral nervous system, meninges, bone, cartilage, adrenal, and pigment cells. The neurulation process is now complete. The development of the brain. The development of the brain begins before the neural tube fully closes caudally. During the early stages, the brain develops into three vesicles, namely prosencephalon, the forebrain, mesencephalon, the midbrain, and rhombencephalon, which is the hindbrain, or PMR, to remember this easily. At about 5 weeks, the prosencephalon of the embryo further subdivides into telencephalon, which will be the future cerebrum, and diencephalon, which will be the thalamus and hypothalamus in the future. The mesencephalon, on the other hand, does not subdivide. It remains as the midbrain. Last but not least, the rhombencephalon subdivides into metencephalon and myelencephalon. Metencephalon will become the pons and cerebellum, whereas the myelencephalon will become the medulla oblongata. Hope this video helps. Thank you!